The Brighten Your Day card kit is another one of those clean and simple, elegant, elevated cards without too much going on. This particular one, you will create 9 cards, 3 each of 3 different designs. And I've included, as my free gift to you, some mats to put behind your sentiments. And instead of using the twine included in the kit, I've got some gold foil ribbon knots for you to use instead, and I'll show you how they look. So you can see the gorgeous laser cut design of the birds up here on that water washed card base there. We've got the beautiful pattern on the coordinating envelopes as well. Here's where I've added the mat behind the sentiment just to help frame it a little better. And then I've used that gold mesh ribbon knot just underneath rather than the twine. I like how it turned out. And then down here we have You Make the World a Better Place. There is no stamp set, no stamping. This just goes together easy. Anybody can do these. If you're 82 years old or 5 years old, you know your child, and you know your parents, grandparents, neighbors, aunts, relatives. Anybody can do this. It's just a matter of assembling everything that is pre-cut for you and ready to go. So there you have that pecan pie mat behind the sentiment, and we have a mat over here as well. We've got a fern laser cut piece here, and then the flowers as well. You can take these overlays and use a blending brush or markers or colored pencils to color them. And I attempted to do that on a couple, but in the end, I really liked the simplicity of the uncluttered, let the background, just the softness speak. These would make great sympathy cards, thinking of you cards, in addition to the sentiments that are shown here. The Brighten Your Day card kit. You can find this kit and more on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.